Let's say you now want to sell your Bitcoin balance on Cash App. You're going to start by clicking on your Cash App balance at the bottom left, and it's going to bring you to your money homepage. And under Save and Invest, you can see your Bitcoin balance. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to click on the blue Sell button. And at this point, it's going to have you verify the last 4 digits of your social, and you enter this information earlier when you purchased the Bitcoin. At this point, it's going to ask you about backup withholdings with the IRS. If you do have that, for example, you're going to click on yes, but it is very uncommon. And this is because when you are selling cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin, for example, you may have a capital gain if you make money, and that is required to be reported to the IRS, and you do have to pay taxes on those capital gains. We're going to click on the confirm button now, and then it's going to have us sell the 95 cents worth of Bitcoin, and we're going to end up getting 92 cents back after fees. So it is going to be a waste here, but we're going to click on the blue confirm button nonetheless. And just like that, we have sold our Bitcoin. So if we click on the blue done button, we now have a $0 Bitcoin balance. We can click on back here, and our cash balance is $7.92.